The Criminal Justice Coordinating Council was founded almost a year ago and has the tough task of helping with criminal justice reform in our area. KPAX's Connor McCauley sat in on one of the council's meetings to learn more about the status of our criminal justice system.
Making our court system as efficient as possible means taking data and numbers and using them to identify trends. That's where the CJCC, or Criminal Justice Coordinating Council, comes in. They analyze data and then relay it to officials across the court system. Leaders like Judge Leslie Halligan, who can't stress the importance of the council enough.
And we really can't affect change unless we have good communication. So I really think that the CJCC is instrumental to moving the needle forward on criminal justice reform.
One aspect of that communication is analyzing data, stats, and trends. For example, officials are trying to keep jail populations low to prevent the spread of COVID. Their initial efforts were effective, cutting the population in half. But now they're seeing an increase again. Sentenced felony holds are decreasing, but pretrial holds are on the rise. After looking at the data, the CJCC's data analyst discovered something that might be attributing to that.
Typically, we're seeing about 20 more cases filed per month than are being disposed. Relative to 2019, this is quite a bit different, where for much of this time period, the court was actually disposing more cases than it was seeing coming in.
Data analyses, grant funding, starting new programming, the CJCC does a variety of different things. All of that was made possible by a grant from the MacArthur Foundation.
We're starting to get a better idea of what we do and what we want to work on. And the MacArthur Foundation has just been great timing, because we put together the CJCC at the same time and had money to kind of roll out some of the strategies that were identified. So it was really good timing that was mutually beneficial.
The CJCC is looking for renewal of the MacArthur grant so they can further their programming and continue their mission of data-driven criminal justice reform in our area. In Missoula, Connor McCauley.
An example of a program that the CJCC helped develop is the new mobile mental health crisis team.